Hi everyone and welcome to Craft for Kids.
Hello, my name is Ariana Petrago. This is my mum's using the 8. Today we're going to be doing stickmans, like these. Now let's get started.
So what you're going to need in terms of materials are a few of these lollysticks. You can get them already coloured like these ones, or you could paint them yourself. You're also going to need some glue, some PVA glue, a paintbrush and a paint palette for the glue,
and a marker pen.
Oh, and you're going to need something for the eyes of the stickman. So we
need some Pom Poms.
Pom Poms here. So, should we get started?
Yes.
Let's get started.
We're going to get our paint palette and we're going to put some glue in our paint palette.
Great
There we
job.
are. And then we're going to choose two the same. I'm going to choose 2 yellows, 2 oranges and 1 purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose which is for our body. I'm going to choose the orange for my body. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a bit of our glue, put a bit on our paintbrush, then move it away, and then we're going to get one of them and gently put some glue on the side.
Ah, so that's to help stick the 2 bits of the body together.
Yeah. And then we're going to put it down, then try and stick our 2 little lolly sticks together. Like
Amazing. And then we leave that to dry for a little bit?
No, we don't let it to dry.
Oh.
We leave it alone and choose our eyes. The only colour we can use is black. So for mine, I'm going to use red, like this. They already look like eyes because
they do look a bit like eyes.
Then we get our black marker pen, then open it up, then you're going to draw a little circle.
A little dot in the middle of the pom-pom.
Yeah, like this, and then we're going to do the same to the other one.
Hello. So little googly eyes.
Whilst we wait for that to dry out a little, we can get our pom-pom, and the other side of the black we're going to do glue.
Lovely.
We're going to stick it on one half.
Great.
And we're going to do the same
So they'll end up looking
to
like this.
the other. And then when we finish that, we're going to get our 2
lolly sticks.
2 other lolly sticks. Just going to get the glue. I'm going to put a little bit of
In the middle of that one, which is going to
middle.
be the arms lolly stick. So all he needs now is...
Now he needs his legs.
He needs legs.
But now after the legs, he still needs something else.
Ooh.
He needs his mouth.
He needs a mouth. He needs a big smile like this little guy.
So
Are we doing the legs or the smile
we're going
first?
to do the smile first. We're going to do nice like that. And then we're going to do
like him.
And then we're going to put the lid on a marker pen.
Good tip. Put the lid on the marker pen.
And then we're going to get our paintbrush, put quite a lot of glue on it.
On the top of the lolly sticks that are going
On
to
both
be the
sides. And if it breaks down, don't worry. All you have to do is get your glue, put a bit more little glue on here. Gonna stick it on.
There we go. He looks cool now.
So you don't
Put the eyes back on.
Then we put the eyes on, and there we go. There's our stickman.
And we have to leave him to dry, don't
Leave
we?
him to dry.
And when he's dry, he'll look like these little guys, won't he?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Craft for Kids.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, I'm not talking to you. Gently. That happens to me sometimes. But
Our
it's
little
always
man
easy.
full in half. It's okay. We can stick him back together.
Yep. There.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna. You knocked it with it to make sure it sticks. Like these ones. Thank you for
Wait.